Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fantastic world of Zoho Project, focusing on how to use it for business process modeling. First off, let's create a new project. Go to the dashboard, click on the New Project button, and fill in the necessary details. This step helps to categorize your business processes under a specific project, making it easier to manage and monitor. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the tasks. Adding tasks is the next key step. Click on the Add Task button and provide details like task name, start date, due date, and assignee. The reason we do this is to break down the business process into smaller manageable tasks. It helps in better allocation of resources and monitoring progress. Next up, we need to define the workflow. Go to Settings, click on Workflows, and hit Add Workflow. Here you can specify task stages like yet to start, in progress, completed, and so forth. This helps us because it clearly outlines the different stages of the business process, providing a visual representation of the workflow and enabling efficient tracking. Now let's talk about dependencies. In Zoho Project, you can set task dependencies, meaning tasks that rely on the completion of other tasks. Click on a task, go to Dependencies, and select the dependent tasks. This is crucial because, in a business process, certain tasks can't start until others are finished. Dependencies ensure smooth, sequential progress of tasks, avoiding any potential bottlenecks. Lastly, you should utilize the Reports feature. Go to Reports, select Task Reports, and customize the parameters as per your requirements. These reports provide valuable insights into your business processes like task completion rates, time taken, resource utilization, and so on. They help in performance analysis and continuous improvement of the business process. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Zoho Project for business process modeling. With this tool, you can effectively organize, monitor, and analyze your business processes. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and happy modeling.